Hey Audra, can you sing a song for me?
Mommy, I want to down.
Okay, if you sing a song, I'll let you down.
No.
Can you sing I Feel Better?
Uh-uh.
Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle? Can you sing...
Yeah, the Lucy.
Alright, sing La La Loopsy.
Mommy,
Can you...
I want to down.
Alright.
Thank you.
What do we do with the snowball? That's right, throw it at Mommy.